All right, let's try. This time is calculus homework. I'm going to try a new one. Let me see. Yeah, I'll start a similar question. So we can use product rule. We can use, or we can FOIL this out and do it. It's really up to you, but I think I'm going to FOIL this because during class, when we went over product rule, you guys did awesome. It's just we may need some review working with exponent properties, so like really algebra part. So I think I'll do this by foiling and using the power rule, okay? So 7x squared plus 6. I like that first one, that's fine. The second parenthesis, 3x, it's okay, but we need to rewrite this x. Square root of x. Let's rewrite that as x to the 1/2 power. And I'm going to FOIL this out, okay? So no calculus yet. We're just going to FOIL this. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, hold on. Let me bring the work down a little bit. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to do this. Okay, so first, 7x squared times 3x, that's 21. X to the 3rd power, because look, I added this 2 plus 1 to get that new exponent of 3. Okay, let's go on to the next term. When I do, I'll draw these arrows as I do them. When I do this one, 7x squared times x, I'm going to get 7x, but be careful. Let's do the exponents carefully. I need to do 2 plus half, right? So what is 2 plus half? That's going to be 4 over 2 plus half. So that's going to be 5 over 2, right? So the new exponent is 5 over 2 for that outer term. Let's do the inner term. This times that. That one's easy. So that's 18x. And lastly, if I do 6 times x to the 1/2 power, that's 6x to the 1/2 power. Okay, I am ready to apply the power rule now. Let's find g prime of x using the power rule. Okay, so to do the power rule, I'm going to multiply this 21 times 3. So when I do that, I will get 63 x to the 2nd power. Remember to go down in exponent by 1, okay? Next one. Look, I need to multiply 7 times 5 over 2. And 7 times 5 over 2 is 35 over 2, right? So write down 35 over 2. X to the, now let's do the exponent work. I need to do this minus 1, the original exponent minus 1. So what is 5 over 2 minus 1? That's 5 over 2 minus 2 over 2, right? So that becomes 3 over 2. So the new exponent is 3/2. If you need to review subtraction of fraction, you do have scientific calculator. You can use that. But yeah, and then you're also allowed to use those on your homework, on your test too. So, but it could be the fraction that's confusing us this time. All right, let's do it. Plus 18, and then plus, now let's do the power rule again. 6 times half is, well, half of 6, right? Just 3. 3 x to the, and we've been doing this for a while, like half minus 1. Half minus 1 is negative half. So the last exponent is negative 1/2. And that's going to be my answer. I don't think I need to rewrite it any differently. So let me type that in here. So many different terms, and I think it could be because you had like fractions in the exponents. That's why it could have been confusing. But also, we may make typos, so I gotta be careful. All right, plus 18 plus 3x to the negative 1/2 power. All right, I clicked on enter. Excellent. So that's how I would do it. And I wanted to do it this way because you guys were very good with power rule. But it's good to review the exponent properties and even subtraction of fractions. That could be tricky. So yeah. So that's it for this question. And this was section 1.6 homework, question number 5.